Okay. So my screen is visible, right? Others?
Yes.
My screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So someone shared the screenshots. Kindly mute. Everyone, please mute from your side because some voices are coming back. I don't know whose voices. So who is required? They
Okay.
can unmute. Yeah. Everyone, kindly please mute. Thank you. So it's whose? It's a Zico, right?
Yes, sir.
Like inverted hammer. So it's an inverted hammer, Zico?
Sir, I think because RSI is now support level, so I think it's like a pin shooting star, but I just
Okay, so can we consider it as a inverted hammer? Others, guys, please tell. Can we
No.
consider this as an inverted hammer?
No.
No, we can't.
No, we can't. It's not an
Yes.
inverted hammer. As I
Yes.
told you, the body should be it should be a square shape. See,
yes,
such kind of bodies or such kind of bodies, it's not considered. Huh? If you are getting this kind of body here, it's perfectly fine. Even though this body is also not considerable. Huh? This body, if you are getting either the wick that side, like 2 times minimum, or at the inverted or hammer, either it should be hammer or it should be inverted hammer. Any either of it. So we can consider it. But such kind of body we can't consider. So Zico never ever trade based on this. We can't
okay,
call it as a inverted hammer, right?
okay,
Okay. Luckily, you got a good trade. You got a profit in this, but it's not a inverted hammer. Okay. Okay. What is it? A strong bullish. It's a piercing candle. Okay, guys, can we consider this as a piercing candle?
No.
Why not?
Sir, because the candle is like not too big, they are very small.
Exactly. This is what actually always see while placing trade, while recognizing any candle, you guys should just have a look on the body size. It's very important. Never ever ignore the body. First thing you guys have to do, forget about RSI, CCI, even though it's showing on the support or resistance, forget about that. What is the size of the body of this particular candle? Either this or this. See, you will be getting a lot of such candles in that, so we can't consider. You also can say that it is a bearish engulfing, right? That
Yeah.
this candle is so it's
No.
not a bearish engulfing.
Yes.
Such kind of candles you will be seeing a lot of times, but always have a look on the size of the C. If suppose you people are seeing this candle as here or this candle a little bigger than that, so it's fine, considerable. But this much size, it's not considerable. And strong bullish candle. So strong bullish candle. So what you did? So you placed again the next for buy here.
yes, sir.
What is the base of it? If suppose it's a strong bullish, so some base should be required, right? If it is a strong bullish, then you will place trade. It cannot be possible. See, right now it's a strong bearish. Then we can't place a trade. Something should be there. If suppose you are checking momentum, then I will tell you how to check that momentum also. Right now, but with the help of two candles, we can't trade. With the help of volume, you can say, but still, I don't know whether you guys are aware of volume or not. So based on these stuff for piercing pattern, it is not a piercing pattern. Again, I'm telling you. So you can't place your trade on this. And right now, again, strong bullish candle. So we can't place a trade based on this bullish candle, right? So some base should be required. Something should be there. Based on that, only we will be placing trade. Randomly, we can't place a trade. Okay. What is it? It is a bearish engulfing. Okay. Is it a bearish engulfing, guys?
No, sir, it's not on the exact resistance level. I think
No,
so.
no,
And
it's on resistance level. I can consider it. Suppose it's on resistance level because here also it is rejecting on the same level.
sir,
Here
but
also it
there
is.
is a lot of price rejection.
Fine. Especially what we are looking for that. If suppose I'm talking about bearish engulfing, then
No,
what?
still is not.
The
Sorry.
No, still is not bearish in engulfing because it didn't engulf the bullish candle.
Exactly.
yes,
How it's not engulfing the bearish candle, right? Sorry, the bearish candle is not engulfing the bullish candle.
well,
It's a Zico, right? Yeah, Zico.
Yes,
This is
yes.
bullish engulfing. It's neither neither a dark cloud cover. I don't know whether you guys are aware of it because today I will teach that part also. So it's not a bearish engulfing. Simple thing that it's not even covering the whole candle. Exactly 100%. Yeah. So it's not a bearish engulfing. Okay. So don't consider it. Neither it's a bearish engulfing also, because this candle is much more rejected, and this candle is almost 200% of this candle. So I told that it should be how much? It should be 120 to 150, max to max 150%. Then only you can consider it. Fine. Luckily you got a good trade. That's fine. But every time lucks won't work. What happened? What is this?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Previous picture you just showed.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a just showing no rejection before this one.
This one.
No. Before.
This one.
No. Before candle. Red candle.
This one. This one.
No. Before big one.
Which one? This one.
Big. Yeah.
Okay.
I am
Fine.
trade like this same. I am thinking for this bearish candle. Next one.
It is a bearish candle. So what happened?
After I take it is 15 minutes that one, but after happening for this bullish.
I didn't get your question. What you are telling that you are trading on this combination of candlestick?
Same like in 15 minutes candlestick, but there is same like rejection candle, one green bullish candle, and the next one is bearish candle.
Bearish candle, fine.
And the next one I put it put this
for sell. For
yeah,
sell. You trade for sell. Then okay.
Yeah.
Then what happened?
I got it a result. It will bullish.
Bullish.
So
yeah. Okay. You shared already that screenshot.
I know, but already I am talking. That is question. When it asking
so
that
again, see, as I told this one also. So again, I told whether can we consider this as a bearish engulfing. You only tell me.
Yes.
How?
But there is rejections. I don't know. Actually,
this much rejection. See, okay, fine. What I told first, we have to look for the body. Then second thing is that we have to look for the rejection or wick. So first thing, what we have to look the body size. Whether the body size is suitable to take a trade on this. What I told yesterday about bearish engulfing. That bearish engulfing should be that first candle should be a bullish candle. Second should be a bearish candle, and the body size should be 120 to 150%. Means the bearish candle should and must be 120 to 150%. If we are seeing these two stuff like 120 to 150, then we can consider. If it is beyond than 150, like 170, 180, or even 200%, then we can't consider it. So right now it is almost more than 200% of this. I agree with
that is already definitely for only piercing pattern, no? There is an pattern. Yeah, bearish engulfing, there is the same 120% is there.
Exactly. You forgot. I told right in bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, that the candle who is engulfing the other one should and must be 120%, minimum 120%, and maximum 150%. Like this candle should not be more than 120. Should not be more than 150%, and should not be less than 120% with respect to this candle. If it is less than that, then also we can't consider. If it is more than 150%, then also don't place your trade. Even though we will call it as a bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing, but what happens? It will take the power of next upcoming candle, like it will take the momentum of the upcoming candle. So we will not be getting that much precise for trade at the time. So that's the reason actually I'm telling you people to avoid taking trade in that way. So why? So that's the reason we have to consider maximum 150%. If it is more than 150%, avoid taking trade. Please don't take trade at that time. Clear, Sanju?
Yes.
Okay, good. So if you are taking any trade now, even though it's wrong or correct, whatever, please share it so that I will discuss here. Based on that, everyone will come to know what's happening. Based on that, everything will be okay. It's all okay. Don't be ashamed that okay whether it will be fine or not. Fine. So this one is a bearish engulfing. So Zico, right? Zico, based on what you consider it as a bearish engulfing? What is the base of it?
Because it's trend is downtrend, and this red candle covered the green candle. So
okay, and you are using RSI also, but RSI is also, according to your RSI indicator I'm talking about, it is not even showing that it is on resistance. Then how you took that trade?
Sir, I only follow the trend. Actually,
But trend actually, how you are following, even though it's not even forming, hitting this line, then how you are following the trend? You know how to draw the trend and all, how to work with the trend. You know that.
I know something. It's
Okay.
I
So
cannot tell
something
it properly.
something no incomplete. That's what we can say. That knowledge is very dangerous. Either you
Yes.
should be in depth in that, or I should just leave it. Okay, fine. If suppose you are not getting it, how to draw the trend and all. Tomorrow, anyhow, I will be taking that session. I will complete this whole part. So still, I'm telling, just check it. Okay, even though it's a downtrend and whatever, you have to minimize the chart and check where the previous rejection is happening. That I will teach you in the tomorrow session. No worries. But still, it's as you are seeing. See, I'm seeing the RSI right now. I'm not seeing the previous what happened actually. So based on that, I can't say, and I won't tell you. I won't recommend others and you also that to place your trade based on bearish engulfing. It is not a bearish engulfing. Means look wise it is fine. Consider it, but whether it's on here, it's not showing on the support. Sorry, resistance. So can't take it. So again, for that, what are the things we have to do and all? We tomorrow will see in details about trend analysis. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. What is this? It is a strong bullish candle. Strong bullish candle. Okay. This one. What is it? What you are showing here?
It's inverted hammer.
Which one? This one is inverted hammer.
Sir, I think
Huh?
like
You're thinking, no, according to you think if IP option will work, then you will be millionaire in a day, right? According to our think, according to your think, it can't be, it won't work. So you have to be very specific and sure that whatever you are telling, it should be a perfect one. Based on here, I can say a strong bullish candle, I can consider it. Here momentum works. Exactly, here momentum works. I can say that based on momentum, you can place your trade. So you will be getting profit here. I accept it. But if you are telling me that this is an inverted hammer, I will say no. Absolutely no, it's not an inverted hammer. Guys, it's an inverted hammer.
no.
No,
No.
sir.
The body should be like this. See how the body
Square
is looking.
shape.
Why you guys are not getting my point actually? I still study only. I told the body should be square shape or even minute like rectangle. It's fine. Consider it rectangle like, but the body should be clearly visible. It should not be like this that we even can't justify it whether it's a pin bar or it's a doji or what kind of trend. Candlestick. So don't take risk on such kind of candlestick until unless you are not sure. Please don't take trade. Okay. So it's not a inverted hammer. Okay, like hammer. Okay, again I'm asking others whether it is a hammer, guys.
Sir, it's
No.
tail is not
Tail.
big.
Sometimes you are
Small.
committing mistakes on the body, sometimes your mistakes on. Okay, fine. Others, please tell me what about this? Is it a hammer candle?
No, tail is too small.
Sorry, what is small?
Tail is too
Exactly. Tail is very
Sir,
small.
wick.
Exactly. Wick. That's what tail or wick, whatever a shadow. Someone selling shadow, it's fine. Wick is very small. That small wick is not considerable. At least this this wick should be or tail should be minimum 2 times of its body. Then only we will be placing trade for buy. Getting it? Zico.
Okay.
Yeah. Body is perfect. I appreciate. First thing we have to look. Body is perfect. The next thing we will be seeing that whether it is perfect tail or wick or not. Okay. What about this, Oliver? What you involve candle?
I think that is an inverted hammer.
So, but such how I can justify it whether it is in how if you are maximizing it like you can zoom out, then I will come in. Right? I'll zoom in, then I will come to know it's an inverted hammer. It's just showing the point actually. So I can't justify with respect to this, right? It may be a doji, it may be a pin bar, it may be a inverted hammer. So with this, I can't justify. Little maximize, okay, while taking picture like how he did. It is clearly visible, right? So here I can't justify whether it's a what kind of candlestick. Fine.
Okay.
Please,
Okay.
just
I will zoom it.
okay. So again, what's happening here? Shooting star. I can't say whether it's a shooting star or not. I'm so sorry. I'm not
Very small.
very small actually, so I can't even see what's happening here. Getting my point, right?
Okay. Next time I will make it bigger.
So it is a doji candle at a resistance level. Fine, yeah. So sell entry. If doji will form at the sellers at the resistance or at the support, then you will start selling or buying.
No.
No.
We should avoid it, right? We should not place a trade. Exactly. We should not place trade based on doji. If suppose you are seeing a doji either on support or resistance, avoid taking trade unless you won't get a good confirmation from the market. We will not be entering into that trade. So we will be avoid taking trade. Is it clear?
Okay. It's clear.
Perfect. What about this? What about this? What is it? Bullish piercing candle. Okay, bullish piercing. No, we can use piercing candle, piercing pattern because there is only piercing. There is neither bearish piercing pattern. So again, it's a 50%. If I'm not wrong, I don't know. If I will little maximize it, then I will come to know that it is exactly a 50% of this candle. So it should be at least 60%. If it is 60%, it is considerable. You can consider it. Getting my point?
Okay.
So I think it is a 50%. If you'll just maximize it, I will come to know at that point. Bearish engulfing. Which is a bearish engulfing? This candle and this candle is a bearish engulfing.
No,
the red one, the long red one.
The long red one is covering the bullish one, so we can consider it as a bearish engulfing.
it's
Maybe.
300%.
Oh no, Oliver, you are committing mistake again. See, it is I think more than 1,000% bigger than that candle. It should not be. What I told, it should be 120 to 150%, right?
Support bullish candle.
Absolutely. It should not be more than that. So if suppose you are seeing such candles, never ever take a trade. Never, please don't jump into the market. It's not good.
Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. And what about this? Who took it? Praveen. So
me.
Praveen, yeah, fine. So it is a resistance level, right, Praveen? According to you, because
Yes.
I'm seeing only 4 or 5 candles. So based on that, I can't justify whether it's on
Yeah.
resistance or support. So you know better, right? What's happening before? Wow,
Yeah,
great.
I'll throw it register over there. I'll wait till market go there, and then piercing formed, and after that I took over here.
Mm-hmm. Superb.
Yeah.
So exactly, you are drawing one line. So I hope so that you are exactly perfectly justifying it, or perfectly getting it. What's happening? I hope so, because
Yes.
whatever the line you have drawn, it shows that exactly perfection. And $63 profit, superb, awesome. Means 63 here, 61 here. Yeah, you did a great job. Wow,
Yeah.
splendid, superb, marvelous. So yeah, if you are considering, so what is it actually? Sorry?
Yeah, that was resistant, and this red candle is piercing candle.
It's a piercing candle.
Yeah.
Is it a piercing, guys? Where it is formed? Piercing. What is the criteria of a piercing, Praveen?
It's
What are the
formed at
Exactly.
support level.
Exactly, it forms at the support level, but this candle is forming at the resistance level. And in
Yeah.
piercing pattern, the first candle should and must be a bearish candle, and next candle should and must be a bullish candle, right? So it is exactly opposite. So is it a piercing? Can we
No,
consider it as a piercing? No.
Okay. So, all right, okay.
Today I'm going to teach that candlestick. Actually, I have to teach it yesterday, but today I'm going to teach this candlestick. What we call it as exactly, it is a candlestick pattern. So I will tell you what candlestick pattern it is. Okay. Okay, fine. Now, what is it? Which?
Okay, that was resistance.
This
So
is a
in-
resistance, or this is a
No,
resistance?
no,
This is the resistance.
top blue line. Yeah.
Fine. Okay, this is the resistance then.
And there is this doji candle formed.
Okay, you place directly trade on doji.
No.
Okay.
After that,
Okay.
after doji, there is a red candle formed.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is a red candle form. Fine.
Yeah, and then I
So-
took it on this red candle, small red one.
But why? Means what are the confirmation? What is your confirmation so that you place your trade for sell here? Can you please justify me?
Because of this doji candle,
because
I
of this doji candle.
yeah,
Okay,
doji
this
candle.
candle.
I thought market is reversing, but I wait. I didn't take on next candle. I wait to
Okay,
reverse, and I got confirmation the next red candle, and after that I took it on this small red candle.
okay. But candlestick analysis wise, is it perfect to place your trade?
Mm.
No. Yes. Yes. No, we can't place a trade.
Okay.
Right.
And
So based
may I
on
know the
candlestick
reason why?
patterns, because see, right now this is fine. Here you are considering it.
Yeah.
After doji, we should not place trade first thing, even though it is forming this one. But how come? Means how sure you are that the market will be? This one is also a bearish one. How sure? Means this is exactly here. Momentum also not plays an important role. Means here momentum is not coming into the picture. Neither volume I am showing. Candlestick pattern is not there. So based on what? What is the base actually? Because see, still you got a profit, but this candle is also a doji kind of a stuff. It is not a perfect candlestick pattern that we can consider it, right? So it is how you can't justify. If you can justify, tell me so that I will also come to know based on something. Okay, this is a resistance level. This is rejection. I got it that this you are getting it. But what about this candle? What is the base of this candle to place your trade for sell? No, is there any base?
No,
Why?
like I told you, I'll just place it because they got the doji, and then next one is
Yeah, I
bearish.
got it. Yeah, see, such kind of stuff, if you are using Forex, I can consider it that okay, but it is very risky in binary. So if
Oh,
you
right.
are taking this trade, you will be in very much high risk. Luckily, you got a good profit, or else you will be in loss. So yeah,
Okay.
avoid taking trade in this. If suppose you are getting a perfect candlestick patterns, consider it, or else avoid taking trade. Please don't jump into the market. It is not good to place your trade. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
fine. So it's who's actually Sanju. Sanju, what you are saying? It is a bullish engulfing. Okay, fine. Then again, Sanju, is it a bullish engulfing, Sanju? Tell me. Or others? Is it a perfect bullish engulfing?
No, sir.
Perfectly.
No, sir. No.
Is not big one, but
Right. And what's happening, Sanju, from here to here? Actually, this candlestick patterns, na, I'm gonna teach you today that what we call it is, and whether we have to place or trade or not. What are the things we works over here? So we'll see. So just remember this, Sanju pick. Okay, I'm gonna discuss this part a little later. So I'm just keep on pending. The rest I will see. Okay. So who is this? Zico.
Yes.
What Zico? What happened here?
Sir, I see
What is it?
only momentum. Very strong bearish momentum.
You see momentum. Where is momentum you saw actually? This only based on this single candle you took your trade, right?
Sir, I see actually I see also 1 minute candlestick, then I trade.
You saw 1 minute candlesticks and you took a trade on. Sorry, you are on 5 minutes and you took a trade on 1 minute candlestick.
Yes, I see also 1 minute candlestick momentum, then I take entry here.
But your time frame is 5 minutes, and
Yes.
if I'm
First,
not wrong, then yeah.
sir,
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
actually I just see 1 minute chart for actual view, present momentum, understanding present momentum. Then when I see 1 minute chart and I see very strong bearish momentum, then I take my entry is 5 minute also.
See, you are getting confused. You will get confused at that time. Either work on 5 minutes or 1 minute. If you are jumping from one, okay, fine. To get confirmation, that's superb, nice idea. But checking again 1 minute, again coming back to 5 minutes and taking trade on 1 minute closing time, it is very risky. It is not a good. By the way, what was your closing time here?
It's
It was on 5 minutes or 3 minutes,
it's
2 minutes.
3 minutes.
One?
Actually, I use here 3 minutes. 3 minutes
Your logic is little ahead actually. I'm not getting your logic. You are on 5 minutes time frame. Now you are going back to 1 minute and closing your trade on 3 minutes. Means all the three stuff is totally different stuff. Means either you have to be on 5 minutes and closing time is 5 minutes. I can understand. If you are on 1 minute and closing on 1 minute, I can understand. But you are getting confirmation with the 5 minutes and 1 minute and closing with 3 minutes. How is it?
Sir,
How?
Actually, this candlestick was a 5 minute candlestick, but already 2 minute has
Then,
gone. Then
okay,
I
okay, fine.
trade.
Then I must tell each and every one, then please don't enter into the market in between of the
Okay,
candlestick. If it is
okay,
2 minutes gone or 3 minutes gone or even 1 minute gone, please no. Okay, it
okay.
is your this one, right? What demo account, fine. If you
Yes,
will be
yes.
in real account, you can't take it. I don't know whether you
I
can
have
take a
not
risk on
real
that or
account, sir. I have not
okay,
real
fine.
account.
Even though whoever want to take, no, please don't take such kind of risk. It's not a good actually. It is not suggestible. No, I won't suggest you people to take a trade on such kind of stuff. So please avoid taking trade. Okay,
Okay,
that's not
okay.
a correct. And who is this? Ahmed. Ahmed, what is this? Ahmed.
Sir, I took 7 trades and I actually won 4 of them.
Okay,
And
then how was your trade actually? I want to have a look on
sir,
those. So it would be much better because showing this result is fine, but at least I
swipe,
want.
swipe, swipe, sir.
Okay, next. Okay, yeah. So what is it, Ahmed?
Sir, I was like little bit confused. Is it sir bearish engulfing? Oh, sorry, bullish engulfing. I think.
It is a bearish engulfing or bullish engulfing? What it
Wait,
is?
wait. uh, bullish. It's a bullish engulfing, sir, because it said the resistance and.
You are still confused. You even don't know what kind of candlestick it
sir,
is,
sir,
and
I
you
just
took a
got
trade.
confused. And
So what
wait.
actually? Yeah, tell me what kind
Sir,
of candlestick? Still confused?
sir, it's bullish engulfing. Maybe,
Okay,
maybe.
others. Okay, others. Is it a bullish engulfing?
No.
No,
So
sir.
that's why I put a question mark
No, no.
there.
Okay, fine. But bullish engulfing. How is it's a bullish engulfing? Which one?
No,
Bullish candle is covering this bearish candle?
no, no. Sir,
Then
yes, I just got that.
okay, others. Which candlestick it is, guys? Anyone of
Sir,
Not
any?
good.
sorry, sir. I think so. I had a confusion. Is it piercing pattern?
It is a if suppose we will be considering this, then we will be
Yes.
considering it as a piercing pattern, not a
Sorry, sir.
bullish engulfing. And the body is very small. Again, I'm telling you, such kind of body is not considerable. So please never ever take a trade based on small tiny candlestick. Okay? No, it is
Okay.
not a preferable idea. So we can't consider any such candlesticks over here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So what it is,
Sir,
Ahmed?
I was sir. Wait, sir. Bearish. Sir, is it bearish engulfing?
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay,
It
okay, fine. I'm
covers.
considering. Okay, fine. I'm considering this, but is it on proper resistance? So this is a
Proper.
bearish engulfing, and you took
Yes, sir.
trade here. Huh?
Sir, I took this trade on the this what did this call? 1 minute. Hanging man.
I'm
I
not
took
getting.
trade on that. I took trade on
Okay,
that this hanging
but
man, sir.
okay, fine. See, okay, you are showing me this, and you are showing again this, and again taking this. So what? Which candlestick is your what
Sir,
concern?
I actually
Based
took
on
trade
this.
on this hammer because it formed on the
So okay,
support line
fine. So
and the
again,
the
I'm telling you, it is not on support actually. This candle is
uh,
not even see. If you are considering this as a resistance, then it is not a support.
okay.
Because a single or two candle, how can be possible that a single candle, see if suppose it's a resistance, then it is hitting this next candle, and after that you are getting support. How is it possible? Like two candles or three candles can't justify support and resistance. For support and resistance, at least we should have 5 or 6 candles minimum. It should be.
Okay,
Only
sir.
see if suppose you are placing trade here itself for bearish engulfing, I can consider it, but
Okay.
after that again you are telling that it is on support, means a single candle is hitting resistance also, and after that you are getting support also. How is it possible? It cannot be possible. And
Okay.
also it
Okay.
is not a
Okay.
perfect hanging man. The body have a look body, either body should be this or either body should be this body I can consider, but this body I cannot consider.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine. What is this, Ahmed? Again, this candle? Ahmed, hello?
Uh, hello.
Yeah, tell me, what candlestick it is?
Sir, I was actually confused. Is it a proper hammer? But now my concept is now like it's cleared.
Okay, so what
This
you
this
do
is not a hammer. This is not a proper
now?
hammer.
Fine, fine. Okay, then what is
Then,
this?
sir, I was confused. Like, is it bearish engulfing? But again, like my
Bearish
concept is now
engulfing.
cleared.
It's a bearish engulfing.
Oh, sorry, bullish engulfing, sir.
So bullish engulfing also. What are the body? What are the size of the body and the rejection also? See all those stuff.
120
Can
to
we consider?
150%.
Exactly, and rejection should not be that much here. That much
Okay,
rejection
sir.
is not considerable.
Okay,
Fine.
sir.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
Let's go fast. Yes, it's who is this?
Sir,
Zico. Yeah, Zico.
Yes.
Bullish engulf. Yes, I can consider this as a bullish
Yes,
engulfing.
sir.
It is a bullish engulfing. I can consider it. Okay. After that, hammer means hammer should be on this support level, Zico. It should not be that much up, right? Either it is forming this level, I can consider. But if you are considering this as a hammer, it is little risky. Okay. So never ever consider. If suppose you are considering this as a bullish engulfing, fine, you can place your trade on this. But again, see, hammer is above. This is a resistance. Sorry, it is a support level. So it is much more far away from here to here. Getting my point? Yeah. Good. And then who is this? Bearish engulfing. Yeah. Is it a perfect bearish engulfing?
No,
No.
sir. I
Fine.
understand.
What about hammer? Is it a hammer?
No, sir. Cause
Okay.
not.
Fine. If you are getting the things, then fine. What about bullish engulfing? What is it?
No, sir.
Bullish
Wrong.
engulfing.
Cause
No,
it's,
sir.
It's a resistance
How
area.
bullish engulfing forms at the resistance level, man? Okay, fine. Then what happens? Yeah, because the candlestick analysis is wrong, then I can't go ahead with this.
Okay.
It's a Ahmed.
Yes,
What
sir.
Ahmed? What happened? What is it?
Sir, I actually took a trade on the green hammer.
It's a green
Hammer. No. Inverted hammer.
inverted
No,
hammer.
it's shooting star.
A shooting star, fine.
Oh,
So is it a shooting star?
Sorry,
No, you guys are
shooting
okay.
star.
Fine. I'm getting it.
sir, I actually get the
You
concept,
are getting the
but
concept?
yes.
With the name, actually, you guys are getting confused.
Getting
What is it?
confused.
Fine. So try to get those stuff also. I don't know whether it's because it's not clearly visible, so I can't say it is a perfect shooting star or what. So I can't
Okay,
even
sir.
tell you that whether it is a perfect shooting star or not. And even though I'm seeing your RSI, but your RSI is not even hitting the resistance level also. So I don't know how
Sir,
can.
I have one confusion. Like we should take a trade when this line must cross the resistance line or the support line. Otherwise, we should not take the trade, even if
In
this line
between,
is
if
close to
suppose-
the resistance.
Exactly. If suppose you are considering RSI, then it should be crossing the resistance level or it should be crossing the support level. Then only you can consider it.
Until or unless it doesn't touches these points, we should not trade.
Please don't. It will be in between somewhere. So you have not even reached that level actually. You should be in that level. Then only we will be placing trade, right?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Fine. Ahmed again. What is this, Ahmed?
Sir, I took a trade on this, what's called resistance. This is, sir, shooting star.
But still it is not on resistance level. So again, it is not a perfect one.
Perfect.
Okay,
Just
fine.
got it.
What is this actually?
Sir, I actually took a trade on that.
What it is? Hammer.
Hammer.
I don't know whether it is a perfect hammer or not. You only
Sir,
know.
at that time, it was exact. It formed at exact support level. So I placed the trade.
No, I'm talking about body actually. I'm talking about body. I'm not talking about the trade actually. Just because it's not clearly visible. So the body is perfectly formed or not. I don't know whether it's a square shaped or not.
Sir, I can remember that the body was not perfectly. The body was not perfect. It was a little small.
So yeah, please. So please work on it. This is very important.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Now, what is this actually?
Sir, I actually took a trade on inverted hammer. No, it actually took
Shooting
a trade
star.
on shooting star. Shooting star is formed at resistance.
This is this is a support and this is a resistance.
I actually won that trade, sir.
You want to trade, but still, see, I don't know how much pips it is. Pips, or we can say what are the starting point and closing point. Whether it's news, some news was there on that currency pair?
Sir, I don't know. I didn't check that.
Okay, fine. So just have a look, because see, it is this is the single candle which is hitting support also and resistance also. So I'm little bit confused regarding this. No, if you are considering this as a shooting star, I can consider that it's a shooting star. Even the little body will be little more bigger, it is fine. But this candle, this body is also considerable. We can consider it. But please look on this candle, because this candle is very much. It will affect your whole trade. If it is a news candle, then avoid taking trade for 15 minutes before after the news means flash.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. You can see here, I took a trade at this so-called shooting star, and the market actually went down.
Yeah, fine. But I think this is a news actually, which is flashing on that time. Maybe something.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So what is it?
Sir, I actually took a trade on that inverted hammer. Yes, right there. Right there. Perfect. It was a perfect, sir.
This one.
No, sir. The previous one. This one. For 5, and the expiration time was 5 minutes, and after that I actually won that trade. Market actually went up. It formed
also which candlestick pattern it is? Okay. Yeah.
Sir, it is inverted hammer. No, the lower one.
It is inverted hammer, right? And
yes.
I'm talking about this candle. This candle, what is it?
Sir, it is piercing pattern.
Absolutely perfect. It is a perfect piercing pattern. Perfect means perfect. If you guys are seeing such kind of candlesticks in support, please place your trade for buy at that time. You will be getting a very good profit after forming this candle.
Okay, sir.
Fine. What is it?
Sir, I took a trade on this so-called inverted hammer, and I put a trade in up direction, and I think so I lost this one. Market didn't went up.
So what was the actually concern? Okay, let me complete tomorrow's session. Then your I think your support and resistance part will be clear.
Support and resistance. It's very difficult to draw those points.
Okay, fine. No issues. Tomorrow you guys will be getting those points. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
And now this one, what is it?
Sir, I again put a trade on. On this. So what is this hammer? No. Hanging man.
Okay.
Hanging man, the green hanging man. So, and I actually lost this trade.
What was the time frame actually? 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and the reason why I lost this trade was due to this 5-minute expiration time.
So why 5 minutes? If the time frame was 5 minutes and you are closing with the 5 minutes, right?
Yes, I'm closing with the 5. I'm not closing in between.
So why you lost it actually? What was the reason?
Sir, actually, the 5th minute, the candle that formed at the 5th minute, it came down. It crossed this point. Actually,
at 5th minute, it crossed.
Yes, sir. It went up actually.
Okay, fine. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that part, those stuff. Now, what is it?
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Hi.
It's a bullish engulfing.
Okay, fine. So bullish engulfing, Sam. The body size. Can you check the body size? The body size should be like this. How this candles look like? This one. Okay. It's a very tiny body actually. So such kind of body is not considerable. It's not preferable to place your trade. So at least have a look of this body actually. This is very, very important, because the size of the body is very important. Based on that only, we will be placing trade for buy or sell, considering that bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, placing pattern, whatever the candlesticks will be. Always have a look on this. Okay. So it's not a perfect. The body actually, it's not a perfect actually. The body size is little small. See this. While seeing this, I'm telling you that this is a perfect body. Means average candle body. It is a smaller one actually. So it is not a perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So we can't call it bullish engulfing. We can't even call it bullish engulfing.
Bullish engulfing is there, but what about the size of the body? This is my main concern. Because see, most of the stuff depends on the size of the body. Because most of the candles we are telling bullish engulfing, but whether it meets all those criteria or not, this is my main thing. If it is meeting that criteria, then place your trade for buy or sell, whatever the things will be. Or else simply while seeing the candlesticks, no, it is not a good thing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You see.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. What happened? This candle, what is it? This candle is, okay, bearish candle. And again, this is the next one, or the same?
Yeah, the same. It's become a bullish candle.
Okay.
Yeah.
But okay, but still, if you are getting profit also, but still telling this is not a perfect bullish engulfing, body should be a little bigger one. Okay.
Yeah, I see. It should be more.
This is the kicker candlesticks that I'm going to teach you today. That's a kicker actually. If you are considering as a kicker, yes, based on kicker you are getting a profit. But based on bullish engulfing, it is not a perfect bullish engulfing. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, the same I think. Okay, good. So Sam, one more guy is here, Ahmed. He is also from Egypt. So Ahmed, can you hear me? So he's from your place actually. So maybe he will contact you because he even don't know most of the thing in English. So maybe he is facing some issues. Maybe he will contact you. Then you can help him. Or even though Ahmed, you can also text in this group so that you can also intermingle with the other person. And please try to ask your doubts. Whatever the things I'm going to teach, please try to ask. And especially Sam, you please help him. And just check him. He's from Egypt actually. He's from Egypt, from your place. His name is Ahmed.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
With pleasure.
Where he went actually. Ahmed, are you there? Ahmed Hassan. His name is Ahmed Hassan. Okay. Maybe he will contact you later on. So please help him out. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
So okay, it's I should start from where I left yesterday. Right, guys. Everything is clear now. I hope so. Whatever I taught yesterday, the concept is clear now. Okay, fine. So Ahmed Hassan, especially that you are totally new for this. Tomorrow I will take your one extra session. Tomorrow that left session. So I'm going to start from evening star. The rest, whatever I taught yesterday, I'm going to teach you tomorrow, most probably. So in that, I will cover those portions, each and every stuff. So don't worry for that. So now I'm starting with evening star. So especially Ahmed Hassan, if you feel any, if you're not getting anything, please ask me so that I will try to clear your doubts, whatever the thing. So I will try to make it more easier for you people. Fine. So evening star is the next candlestick. So can anyone please tell me what is evening star, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is evening star?
It's the opposite of the morning star.
It is the opposite of the morning star. Then what is morning star? That's the next part.
It shows
evening star.
Support area.
Evening star forms
after downtrend we see a doji, and after doji, if we see strong bullish candle, it's called evening. Evening star. It's show in resistance area. After bullish.
It forms on this. Okay. The first candle will be what? First candle will be what?
First candle will be green. Then small bearish and bearish or bullish doji candlestick, and then third candle is a big bearish candlestick. It's called evening star. After evening star, market go down.
Okay. Everyone agree with him what Zico told? Everyone agree with him, or having some other answers also? Please tell me. If you don't know, then it's fine. But if you know, and then if can you please tell me if you guys are agree with him? All. Everyone who knows actually, who knows about evening star, I'm talking asking. Guys, no answers? Okay, fine. So yeah, first I will show you what is evening star. First have a look on it. So exactly what he said, actually it is a combination of three candlestick. It forms on the resistance level. First, okay, before going to that, Ahmed Hassan, you know what is support and resistance? Please text me or speak so that I will come to. Then only it is easy for you to understand the stuff what I am telling you for support and resistance. So please tell me whether it's clear for you what is support and resistance. Ahmed. Ahmed
he said yes.
He said yes. Okay, super, fine. Because tomorrow anyhow I'm gonna tell that part also, or teach that part what is support and resistance in details. So fine. So exactly, evening star forms at the resistance level. It is a combination of three candlestick. First candle should and must be a bullish candle. Second candle should be either a bearish candle or bullish candle. This candle, but it should it should not and it must not be a doji candle. If it is a doji, it's not an evening star. We will not be considering it as an evening star. So for that, it should have a body, like even minute, even little rejection is also there, little rejection, not a big rejection, but body should be clearly visible. And the third candle should and must be a bearish candle. So if we are seeing these three candlestick in a sequence wise on the resistance level, then we call it as the evening star. After these three candles, fourth candle stick will be placing trade for sell on the fourth candle. Okay, at the beginning of the fourth candle, as soon as the fourth candle starts forming, we will be placing trade for sell and the fourth candle. Now, if there is a gap up, I have mentioned there is a gap up and gap down. If there is a gap up and gap down between first, second, and second, third, it is fine. If there is no gap up and gap down, it's all okay. We can consider it as the evening star. There is no issue with that. So still we can consider it. Now the next point is that this candle or the size of this candle. So the size of this first and third candle should be from 80 to 120%. It means that maybe this candle will be 80% of this. Maybe this candle will be 90% of this. Maybe both the candles are of 100%. Like this, how much is the size of this? This candle also same exactly. So sometimes this candle will be a 110% of this, or even sometimes it will be 120% of this. If it is less than 80%, something it is a very smaller and it is very big, no, don't consider. So the size should and must be 80 to 120%. It's strictly 80 to 120%. It should not be either less or should not be either more than that. So yeah, someone showed me that this actually in this screenshot itself. So one was the perfect, that one. Was Ahmed? Okay, fine. I will take that candlestick. Excuse me. See how this candle actually looks like. Can you see this candle? Better I will put red lines. See this candlestick. It is little bit bigger. It is little bigger, but still this candle actually, I think it is a 130% of this candle I can stand. So yes, but it is a perfect. We can say, yeah. Anyone is asking something?
Sir, bearish or bullish? Bullish must be 120% of bearish.
Any of the candle, either this candle will be 120 or then this candle will be 120%. The ratio, any either, that's what actually I told, that the first candle or third candle, the size of the first and third candle, if I'm comparing this two candle, then either any of the candles should be from 80 to 120%. Either the first one will be 80% or it will be 90 or 100 or 110 or 120 or even this candle also. Any of this candle. So yes, exactly, it is having a clear body, the second candle, little rejection, not much more. So yes, we can place a trade based on this. Clear? Okay. So this is how this body is very clearly visible. It should not be like that much size of the body or like this much size of the body.
Sir, right. The middle one.
Right. This.
No. Sir,
This one. There.
the bottom, this candle, sir.
This one.
This one.
This one.
Is this considerable? That much
No,
price
what
rejection?
about this? See, this is
That's
not
one.
considerable. This is a much more rejection. See, it is not a normal candle actually. So we can't consider. That much is perfect. See, the rejection actually. That's why I choose this one. This is a perfect to consider this one.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Is it clear, guys? That
Yes,
this is the perfect
yes.
thing for everyone. So while seeing
Yes,
it, I
yes.
can say that it is. But while seeing smaller body, please avoid taking consider on these. These are not the perfect body, or these are not the perfect body. These are not the perfect body. If you guys seeing here itself that much size, it's not a considerable. So that's the reason actually I'm showing you specifically on the live chart. So yes, based on that you can at least understand the stuff. Fine. So yes, it is a considerable one. So this is the evening star. Now the next is a morning star. I hope and I think that you guys can correlate with it and tell me. So not Zigo, not Ahmed. At least I'm expecting this answer from others. Guys, others like Sanju and Praveen, can it please, Oliver, any one of you, tell me what is morning star? Just try. If you don't know, just try because you know the pattern of evening star. At least you can correlate with that and let me know.
It's completely opposite to the evening star.
Okay, fine. How it looks like, how it should look like.
The evening star format resistant and morning star format support.
Oh, fine. Okay. And how it looks like? What are the candlestick patterns? Like what are the
As,
candlestick? First
as
candle will be
after the strong bearish candle, the small after that small bullish candle, and then big bullish candle.
okay. So what we'll do after that?
We're taking call trade.
Exactly, absolutely correct. See exactly how what he's telling the Praveen. See exactly the first candle will be either it should be a bearish candle. Second candle either be it may be a bearish or it's a bullish. Fine, same as what I told in the evening star. It should be a gap down and there should be a gap up. And the third candle should and must be a bullish candle. So the same way, the size of this candle, like size, yeah, 80 to 120% of each other. It should not be more than that. It should not be less than that. So fourth candle will be placing trade for buy. Correct, guys?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, one of your actually screenshots I saw that. See how actually
Sir,
it looks like.
It was
This one.
Zico.
That one.
Ahmed, you
Okay.
shared this one, right? I don't know.
Right.
Size it still looks like it's smaller, but if I will little maximize it, then I will come to know. So this is a preferable one, so you can place your trade after that.
Sir,
Okay.
that much price rejection on the bottom candle is considerable. We can
This much.
say.
This much.
No, the bottom one, sir.
This one.
Middle one. This one, yes, sir.
This much, okay, fine, but I don't know how much it's rejecting actually because you are the only you have shared it. So what I shown you here itself, if you guys are seeing this much of rejection now, that's considerable. Like fine, this much. It should not be like that much rejection. See how it is, how it looks like. It's not considerable. So please have a look on those. Is it clear, guys?
Clear.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes.
And what about the first and the last candle?
First and the last candle should be how it looks like. How is it actually? If I will be showing you in the live chat, I don't know whether I will be getting that. So the body should be clearly visible.
I mean the rejection.
The rejection should be a normal. How actually see that much rejection is considerable. It should not be like 1:1 ratio. Like how much is the size of the body, the same size as the width. It is not considerable. It is not a perfect one. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Later I will show you. I don't know whether I will be getting it or not, but I will try. On 5 minutes. see how it looks like this candle actually. There is a maximum rejection here, but still that much rejection is also not considerable. Like this much, it should be little small, but exactly how it should looks like. See how some voices are coming from background. So yeah, this is how actually this size of the body is perfectly fine. I think it's a 110% or it's a 105% of this candle, but the rejection of this candle should not be that much. I think this much is more than enough. If it is forming, then it's fine. Okay, so please have a look on these things. The rest is all perfect, but only the thing is that much rejection is not. 1:1 is there. It is also not perfect, even though it's fine. But I think it's more than that. How much is the size of the body? The rejection is more than that. So it's also not preferable. It's not considerable to place your trade. Okay, consider it as a perfect morning star.
So the fourth
Yeah.
is the same, no, evening star.
Sorry, come again. For how can we?
Yeah, now showing no the candle. Morning star and after evening star also is there, no?
Evening star just now we completed, right?
No, there is a showing. Just you show morning star and after again coming evening star.
This one.
Yeah.
So see, whether can we consider it as an evening star? Tell me. This candle is preferable, and after completion of morning star, how can we say the next is the evening star? It should be at least 4-5 candles to reach to that level, because of single two. Because see, morning star completed, and based on that we are placing trade here. And again, this also we can consider as the evening star. No, it's not a good thing. Either you can consider just forget about this because it's not yet formed. I just consider that you are here. So based on this I'm talking about. Now if you reach to this level, suppose you are already reaching from 4, 5, 6 candlesticks from the support. So this candle, that much rejection is not considerable. It's a much more rejected. Very it's a high rejection here. So it's not considerable. That much rejection is not considerable.
Morning star and evening star, which type of candles are in between the
like this, like how you are seeing this kind. Suppose such kind of candle is forming, that much rejection is preferable, either here or either here. This much rejection. Okay.
Not spinning top.
Sorry, come again.
Doji and the spinning top.
Doji. No. Don't consider doji. Doji should not be there. I told that right in the beginning. If doji is forming in between, that no, we will not be considering neither here nor here. If doji is forming, we will not be considering that part.
Okay. This is also spinning top.
Spinning top, yeah, it's not a perfect spinning top, but consider it. But still, the thing is that it is not on resistance level. It is not a perfect resistance. If you are considering it as a support, then it is not a perfect resistance level. Because the single 2 candles, how can we reach to second like a resistance level? So it is a false breakout actually. We'll be seeing that part tomorrow itself. How to check those stuff. Okay. Now you can say that it is a support level, it is a resistance level. No, it is not a support. Single candle or 2 candles cannot justify a support and resistance. So many things we have to check that thing. So yeah, based on that we will come to it. Okay, Sanju, it's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now the checkmate conditions. Can anyone please tell me what is checkmate conditions? What checkmate candlestick pattern? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. So I should open whose trade actually? Sanju's trade. Actually, he took a trade and shared the results also, right? Where it is? Yeah. It's a Sanju's. This is what we call it as a checkmate conditions from here to here. We call it as a consolidated market, where the market got consolidated, neither it is moving up nor it is moving down.
Sideways.
It's a sideways.
Sir, we can say that it's sideways, like it's not neither going up nor down.
Okay, so sideways, this is a sideways. You can say it's sideways.
Yeah.
No. Then your concept is wrong about sideways. Okay, tomorrow anyhow.
No idea.
All answers will be tomorrow, I think. Whatever the trend and all stuff, I will be covering tomorrow. So yeah, we'll be seeing so many stuff in that. So now it is not a sideways. So it is a consolidated market that it got stuck. It is neither
Okay.
moving up nor moving down. So it is on a same line actually. See, on a same line. Can we consider that is a bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, or so?
No,
And
no.
also see that you will be seeing 2, 3 dojis on that. So if you are seeing 2 dojis or 3 dojis, so avoid taking trade on that particular pattern here. That's the reason actually I told to just avoid. I'm gonna deal this part little later on. So this is nothing but it is a checkmate condition. See from here to 1 doji, 2 doji. It is not even showing the support and resistance. It is, we can't say that it is a perfect trend actually. So how can we justify until unless it won't break from here? That till that instant we won't be telling that it is a perfect trend. So yes, it is exactly on the same line. Why it happens when the market opens early morning or when the markets open on that particular currencies. So it happens like that. So for first half, 30 minutes or 40 minutes, you will be seeing that the market is not even going up nor down. It will be on the same level. Why? Because there is no sellers and there is no buyers directly jump into the market. Because whenever any currency pair opens, suppose CAD currency or USD currency, the timing is like 5 p.m. 5 or 5:30 p.m. Of Indian timing. I don't know about others, whatever your timing. So Indian time. Today I'm gonna not today, tomorrow, not day after tomorrow. I will be telling the timings and all. What time you guys have to follow. So basically USD and CAD, United States dollars and Canadian dollars. These timing is like 5:30 evening, 5:30 p.m. I'm talking about. So it opens at that time. So till 30 minutes or 40 minutes, the market will be flat. It will be completely flat. After that, it will start raising up or it will raising down based on what the first it comes, like first come first service. Either the buyers will come or the sellers will come. If the sellers will come, surely the market will down. If the buyers will come, the market will be up. So based on that, we will come to know, and after that, we will be placing trade. But if you guys are seeing such kind of thing, avoid taking trade. It is not a good time to place your entry into the market. It is not a good trend actually, neither a perfect candlestick patterns. So avoid taking trade in such kind of stuff. Clear, guys? So
Okay.
maybe it will be on support, maybe it will be on resistance. Anywhere it will form checkmate conditions. So in that conditions, we won't be placing trade. See, this is how actually a resistance. It forms like it's a bunch of 7, 8, 10 candlesticks, 6 or 7, whatever. But if till that instance we won't be considered because it is on same level, and you will be seeing 2 dojis, 3 dojis, or even 1 dojis. So avoid taking trade.
So
Once the
it
market,
usually happens in OTC market.
it's not about OTC or it's not about item. Anywhere it can happen. So the
Okay.
first starting time, I'm telling, if any particular currency pair opens from their time, so exactly we can from that time to 30 minutes or 40 minutes, the market will be a little dull. It won't be jumping more actually. It will be on same level. So avoid taking trade. These are the times we have to avoid taking trade. So once it's breaking this trend actually, now it is a breaking out region. So once it breaks, and after that, somewhere here it is a support line. If it forms, then we can consider it to place your trade. Till that instant, please avoid taking trade. See how actually it forms here. Exactly from here to here, it is totally this. And once it forms down, based on that, if we will be seeing any candlestick patterns, then only we'll be entering the trade, or else we'll not be placing trade based on this. Because we are not getting a perfect candlestick patterns here. No, it's not. So avoid always taking, don't take trade, don't place your trade on this situation or conditions. Clear, guys? Checkmate?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next is the Harami candlesticks or inside bar candlesticks. So yeah, can anyone please tell me what is it? Some voices are coming from background. I don't know. So yeah, can you please tell me what is this? Huh? Any one
Sir,
of you?
sir, actually, I say if we say see downtrend, after downtrend a long bearish candle, then if I see one bullish candle like covered this previous candle 50%, it's called bullish harami candlestick. It's showing in support area.
Hold a second. If first candle is a bearish, means it forms to the support area, and once what you said, first candle will be a bearish candle, second candle will be a bullish candle.
Yes, first candlestick is bearish candlestick, then
Okay.
next candle is a bullish candlestick in support area.
Okay.
But bullish
Okay.
candle is long and bearish candle is long, and bullish candle
Okay.
is covered the previous candle 50%.
The bearish candle is covering the 50% of the previous candle.
Bullish candle covered the previous bearish candle, covered the 50% of previous bullish bearish candle.
Then
Market will go up.
so what about piercing pattern then?
Yes, like
So same harami inside bar candlesticks or piercing pattern, both are same. You mean to say?
Pressing candle have second candle is long, but here is second candle is small.
Okay, fine. Okay. So basically, candlestick patterns actually it evolved from the Japan. Japanese people, 500, 600 years back, those peoples were actually trading not only on this financial trade like clothes trade, merchant trade, whatever the trade of form of that, while either selling or buying anything, goods or something like that, they use actually these kind of candlestick patterns. So they are just making with the wood or like metal. So while selling it, they used to give whatever the candlestick pattern which forms at the resistance level, they used to give to others. And while buying it, then used to give the candlestick pattern which it is forms at the support level. So this is how actually they just share their candlesticks with their the colleagues or whatever. So based on that, those people were trading. So yeah. So basically, what exactly harami means in this candlesticks, like in Japanese, it means with respect to Japanese, it means that a pregnant lady, pregnant woman, how it looks like, she looks like exactly how if harami means. So the peoples they used to call it as a harami in Japan. So and the next is inside bar candlestick. So exactly both the stuffs are same. So first have a look on the candlestick. So this is a bearish harami and this is a bullish harami. So bullish, if suppose I'm talking about a bearish harami, so this is different stuff actually. Joint is so just I'm talking about this. What happens? Bearish harami means what? The market is totally up. Direction is up. Invite me. What happened? Hi Ahmed, you got disconnected. Okay, fine. So yeah, everyone please mute from your side. Zico, mute. Everyone muted, right? Fine. So yeah, exactly. Harami means bearish harami means the market is totally towards upward direction. Once it hits the resistance level, then this candle is fine. It's a bullish candle. See, consider this as a woman and she's having a baby bump. How it looks like? Exactly the same how pregnant lady woman looks like. Exactly how this harami bearish candle, bearish harami or inside bar candlesticks looks like. Exactly same as that of bullish one also. So there now it is strictly you guys have to follow. There should and must be gap down between first and second. Till so far I was telling no, even though there is a gap down or there is a gap up, if there is no gap up, it's fine. If there is a gap up, fine. But now I'm strictly telling that this candle should and must be a gap down. Means first candle and second candle should be a gap down. And then after a gap down, this bearish candle should form. And after that, there should be a gap up. Means this candle should and must cover 20 to 30% of the first candle. It should not be more than that. First thing. Second thing is that it should have a high wick. There should not be any low price. It is totally flat. Can you see this? It is totally flat. So this makes it totally unique. So that's the reason we are placing trade for sell for the next third candle. So it should be flat surface. If it is having a little wick, then it is actually, it still we can say it's a harami pattern, but it is not that much powerful. So if it is a total flat surface, it is considered, it's a perfect bearish harami or bearish inside bar candlesticks. So based on this, we can consider it on the sell for the next candle, for the third as a sell. And exactly on this, the market is totally down, and once we saw a bearish candle on support, and there should be, with the gap up, the next bullish candle forms, and after that there should and must be a gap down. See, there's a gap down actually, there's a gap down. And without any high price, it means only buyers are available. There is no sellers. There is no rejection from the sellers. Here also there is no rejection from the buyers. No buyers is rejecting here. That's the reason actually we are placing trade for sell. And here also there is a reason there is no rejection from the sellers. Only buyers are available. So we are placing trade for buy on the next candle. So this is the reason actually we are considering it. If you guys are seeing such candlestick on your regular chart, you can place trade for bearish on the sell, and bullish means to place your trade for buy. But this candle rarely forms actually, I'm telling. It is rarely formed. Maybe once in a day, even once in a week, or even once or twice in a month. Sometimes. But you can't expect on 4-hour time frame, or you can't expect on 1-hour time frame. Rarely, sometimes if it forms, then it is other thing. But if it forms once in a day, or even once in a month, or once in a week, then if it is forming, then please take a trade, and based on that, you guys can take a trade. But I rarely saw till so far, because I'm trading from past so many years, but I never saw such kind of, still it is still forming, but not a perfect one. So if I will be getting it, surely I will share the screenshot, because if I will be searching it, I won't be getting it right now. I know it will take time. So it should be in perfect sequence, but I don't know. I'm not getting that candlestick pattern actually. So if I'll be getting it, I'll share that screenshot with you people. Right now, I don't know. It should be like this, how actually it looks like. See, this candle, but it is little opposite sequence. This should be up and this should be down. See, this should be there's a gap down and there's a gap up, there's a gap down. And if the wick is little up, even there's no wick, but the down should not be having much more rejection. It should be flat. Then based on that, we can consider it. Okay. See how it looks.
Oh, sorry. 1 second. Don't move chart. I got a question.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just leave it. You know, from the uptrend started at the bottom.
This one.
From where up that one. Yeah.
This one. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. That the engulfing pattern, right?
Right.
Yeah. So why the next candle came down? What is the reason behind that?
No, we have to check whether we are getting any support line or not.
Okay.
Okay. So where is the support actually? We need support, even though it is fine at forming at this part. So we need support.
Yeah, exactly. I didn't see the previous chart. Yeah, I understood that. Yeah.
Getting the point?
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
These all stuff I will cover on the tomorrow sessions. So that's the reason actually I'm not going through in details on today or study sessions, because it takes around 1.5 hours to complete all those stuff. So very in depth we will be seeing all those parts. Okay, no issues. Okay. So this is how actually, but the thing is that it should not be having this rejection. If it is up one, it's fine. But this much it is little opposite. But right now it is very difficult to get it. If suppose I will be getting that one, I will share with you that is screenshot, or else it will consume time actually. Okay. Yeah, any question you guys have can ask also. For the meanwhile, I will be seeing. If suppose you have
this whole candlestick scenario we have explained till now. Those all will work only at resistance and support, or we can take trade in the oversold and overbought zone as well.
Oversold or overbought zone is what? Tell me. What do you mean by overbought and oversold zone?
Okay, so there is a resistance which is broken. So is resistance broken and market goes up the resistance. So that will be a overbought zone.
Okay.
But the next resistance will be even more upside. So still we can take trade or not.
Okay, fine. Let me show you that. What you guys are using RSI, right? Where it comes actually RSI?
Sir, it was me in volatility.
See, this is overbought, oversold, right? 30-70. We are using normally. So if it is hitting to this level, okay, still it is overbought zone, right?
Yes. Yeah.
If it is hitting to this region, so still we can say it is on resistance level, and when it is forming down, so still we can say it is overbought zone, or we can say it's the oversold zone if suppose it is hitting to this level, right, Praveen?
Okay. Yeah.
So resistance and support is nothing but it is also a part of it. Actually, it is not the things that what we are dealing with. It's also a part of support and resistance. So overbought, oversold zone, actually the people are using different terminologies with that. If you can use in that way, it's totally up to you, because most of the like in IQ options or in other brokers, with those people are using overbought, oversold zone. They are not using resistance and support. Instead of using resistance and support, they are using overbought and oversold zone. So even though the line is hitting to this overbought zone, then we can say it is on resistance level, and after that the market is falling down. So still we can say it is an overbought zone.
The basic concept is same.
Basic concept is same. Concept wise it is same exactly. But the thing is that the thing is happening the same. Getting
Okay, 1 second. My question is, right now is at the resistance, isn't it? Okay.
So according to this, actually, according to this, I'm telling.
Yes, exactly. So if it's broken upside, resistance broken, if now, and now you please zoom out the chart little bit. Okay, so where is the next resistance? Is on the 8190 nearby the whole number?
Yeah, we will be seeing that part also. Where will be our next resistance? What kind of trend it is? First, we'll find out what kind of trend it is. Based on that, we will be justifying it, and if exactly on that trend, if it is forming exit, then only we will be considering it. Because I'm right now checking with the 1 minute. So if I'm increasing the 5 minutes, then at that time little bit some other scenario will happen, and we will be seeing that exactly it is on support or resistance, and what kind of trend it is forming. First thing. And exactly it is on resistance or support or not. If it is in between somewhere, and even though the next, if it is forming any certain candlestick patterns also, we will not be considering that way.
Okay.
See, right now, I don't know about this, whether it is, as it's not showing the support zone, but still this is what? This is a morning star, right?
Yeah.
But still, we can't say that it is on support, because through RSI I'm telling, and whether it is on proper support or not, we will see tomorrow. That, okay, how we'll come to know that it is on proper support or not. Getting your point?
Even if it's not below the support line?
No, it's not on support actually. As per I'm seeing on RSI, through RSI. But if I'll minimize it and I will check it, whether it is on proper support or not. Whatever the things works on it, and based on that we will be seeing it, and yes, after that we will be placing trade for buy or sell.
Okay, thank you.
Getting my point?
Sir, we can take trade on 1 minute time frame, or we just
you can take it, but right now why I'm telling specifically on 5 minutes, because it gives you certain, like the noise is very less. And we can say we will be getting a precise like information or data on your chart. As the time frame will be higher, you will be getting a very good precise informations.
So, and what about the expiration time if we want to take a trade? If
suppose you are taking on 5 minutes, then expiration time should and must be always 5 minutes.
Okay. And if I'm taking trade on 1 minute,
then expiration time will be 1 minute.
Okay.
Because
No,
every candle
because
is
yesterday you said you like everyone have to take trade on expiration time of 5 minutes. So I thought all
expiration time means the time frame should be 5 minutes, then expiration time should be 5 minutes also. See,
In short,
suppose,
we determine only one candle, which current candle or next candle. We determine only one candle.
see, if I'm making a 5 minutes time frame, it means what?
Yes.
This entire candle forms in 5 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So once it completes the 5 minutes, then it goes to the next 5 minutes. This next candle, 5 minutes, this much. So it is a five minutes candle. Now, if you are taking as a 5 minutes and you are closing as a 2 minute, it means in between you are closing, even though that candle is still not yet formed, and you are closing that candlestick in between. So it's not preferable.
Yeah.
And even though you are taking 10 minutes closing time also, it means on this candlestick, so you are jumping one more extra candlesticks. So you are analyzing based on this candle and you are closing on this candle. So it's also not good.
Sir, I took
Yeah.
trade on 1 minute candle strike, but my expiration time yesterday was 5 minutes.
Why? Why like that? Any
Sir,
reason? I don't know. Why. Because you are not showing the time frame. I told that time frame should be 5 minutes and closing time should be always 5 minutes, right?
Okay.
So you can't see if you are seeing 30 seconds of candlestick and you are placing trade on 2 minutes, it is useless again. How you are actually considering it? Tell me.
Okay.
Something should be there, right? If I'm making as a 1 minute and I'm placing trade on 5 minutes, right now, if suppose I'm on this candlestick and I'm placing closing time will be 5 minutes, it means somewhere here or here. How I will come to know? How I will justify it? That where I will be at that time. So it is not a considerable part again, right?
Okay. So now, sir, we have to take trade on either on 1 minute candle strike or 5 minute.
Go with the
candle
5
strike.
minutes. Go with the 5 minutes.
Okay.
You have to be with the 5 minutes time frame,
Okay.
and closing time will be always 5 minutes.
5
Always.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talking about this time frame, it will 1 minute candlestick time frame and 5 minute and 15 minutes. There is a opportunity is different, no?
Sorry, opposite is different.
Opportunity means trading
Opportunity.
opportunity.
Opportunity. Yeah, exactly. See. I'm showing you this CAD JPY. Okay, it is a 1 minute, right? If I am jumping with the 5 minutes, now see what happens. It reduces the number of candlesticks. Like a single candlestick is denoting now five candlesticks of 1 minute comes in 1 minute. Now from here to here. So what it conveys that from here to here the market is totally uptrend. If suppose I'm going with the 1 minute, if I'm maximizing it, suppose still the market is going up, again going down. So many noises and distortions are there in 1 minute, right? So it is not correct to understand this stuff. Now, okay, fine. I will do one because these all parts I'm going to cover it on tomorrow. So that's the reason actually I'm not telling it right now because again, anyhow, I'm going to cover this part tomorrow. So yeah, this is 1 minute now. Okay. So which one is little easier now? Tell me. This one is easier. This one is easier to understand, or this one is easier to understand?
5 minutes.
5
This
minutes.
is now again 5 minutes. I'm going with the 5 minutes. Fine. See. Now again, what I'm doing is I'm again switching with the 15 minutes. Now tell me, which one is more easier, or which one is more clear actually?
15. Yeah.
Obviously, how you will go for the higher time frames, your the chart will be a little more sync, it will be more compact, precise, the distortions will be less, and the false breakout will be very less. So it is very easy to understand, right? Now it doesn't mean that you guys should go for the 1 hour or 4 hours time frame. It is not a such solution for that. But still, I'm showing.
Sorry.
See, I'm sure. Yeah, please. Sorry. Yeah, Praveen, you're asking something.
Formation will be formed no matter 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes or 1 hour. It will be formed like is it formed in 1 minute or is in 5 minutes? Is everything the same? Yeah.
Yeah, everything is same, but there will be a false breakout also.
Okay. Yeah.
Some noises will be there, some errors will be there. How to get those things? everything will come tomorrow. Again, my next answer will be tomorrow. That will be your call. Whatever the questions you have, I'm going to tell you about everything. Okay. So just, okay, just, tolerate it. Just wait for 24 more hours. Okay. Not 24,
Okay.
22 hours. So I will tease that part so that you will get your all answers tomorrow itself. Whatever
Okay.
do one thing. Each and everyone, all 7 of you, please take a pen and paper. Do exercise on candlestick patterns. Wherever you are not getting the information, especially those things comes under support and resistance. So do one thing, you please note it down those stuff for tomorrow's session so that I will discuss each and everything tomorrow. So that every part will be covered tomorrow itself. Because I'm going to teach that one, but still whatever the things will left, if suppose, then those part will also be covered. So it will be easy to get those stuff. Getting my point? So yeah, please note it down each and every point. Whatever you guys are feeling that no, it is not getting it, you are not getting that proper point or something like that, then. Okay?
Yep.
Okay, fine. So the next candlestick at kicker. Can you please explain what is kicker? Guys, any one of you? Any one of you, please explain kicker. Any idea, guys? No? Yes? Maybe, may not be? No. Okay, fine. Kicker,
Slightly
okay.
kick.
A slightly kick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
But
fine.
one can kick, yeah.
We can say that it is like a kicker. That kicker word is itself, it is telling that I'm kicking something. Okay. What it kicks actually, we'll see that thing. So first have a look on the candlestick, then it will be easier to understand. So this is a bullish kicker, this is the bearish kicker. So bullish kicker is a combination of 4 candlestick patterns, 4 candlestick. So the 3 candlesticks, the consecutive 3 candlesticks should be a down, like a bearish one. And if we are seeing a 4th candlestick as a bullish kicker, so exactly this candle got kicked from this actually zone, trend zone, and it forms as a bullish. So once it forms as a bullish, so the 5th candle, we will be considering it as a bullish one, and we will be placing trade for buy on the 5th candlestick. Okay. So whatever, like suppose yes, we are seeing 3 candlesticks, even though like 4, 5, 6, 7, like all are consecutive bearish candle, and we are seeing the next is a bullish. So always we will be considering the last 3 bearish candle. Whatever the sequence will be, doesn't matter. If we are seeing this 3 consecutive as a bearish candle, and after the 3 consecutive, we are seeing as a bullish candle, even with a gap up or exactly forming here itself also, then 5th candle is our consideration, and we will be placing trade for buy on the 5th candle. Is it clear, guys? We call it as a bullish kicker. Same as that of bearish kicker also, the market is totally up, consecutive up, and it hits the resistance level. And once this bearish candle forms at the resistance level, then 5th candle will be our consideration point. So we will be considering the 5th candle as a bearish for bearish kicker.
How big should be size of these 3 candles?
Exactly. Yeah. Absolutely. That part I'm going to come, because after that. So the size should and must be from at least it should be 70 to 130%. At least minimum 70 or maximum 130%. These sizes, please note it down. Okay. So it will be easy for you. Pen and paper, please note it down. Bullish kicker, bullish engulfing, piercing pattern. So the size I'm telling now, it is very important. So that while taking trade, you keep your pen and paper that in front of you, so that it will be easy to understand the stuff, what's happening actually. Someone shared today's screenshot. I remembered, right? This one, see, it's who's the screenshot? Isam. So this is totally down actually, and yeah, this candle forms. So based on this, we can place our trade here itself. So it should be, what is the ratio? 70 to 130%. So maybe this candle is of 70%. This candle is of what? We can say it is a 110% or 120%. Then again, this is of 70%. Then this candle is of what? 80 or 90%. Then this is the point where we will be placing trade. And if you guys are seeing such kind of candlestick in such sequence, please place your trade, because this is a very less rejection actually. It's a perfect candle. Less rejection, it is considerable. That much rejection is considerable. It should not be much more rejection. So yes, so this is the where we will be placing trade for buy.
So it's not a kicker. It's a kicker.
It is a kicker. It's a kicker. It's a bullish kicker. This 3. See, even though this candle is also a bearish, so we will be considering the last 3 candle. Always last 3, where we will be seeing a bullish candle, and then from their bullish candle, we will be seeing the last 3 candle. This is the last 3 candle. So yes, we will be considering it, and based on that, we will be placing trade for buy.
Like it's a
We consider-
perfect example of kicker, sir. This
Sorry?
chart.
It is
This
a
chart, perfect example of kicker.
exactly. It's a perfect. That's the reason actually I was thinking to show you. I think it's
Okay,
exam,
okay,
right? It's
okay.
shown you this. So exactly, this is the perfect example to place your trade for buy.
Buy.
And exactly opposite of the bearish kicker. If the market is totally up, in up direction, the first three consecutive bearish candle, and the fifth one we are getting as a bullish candle. Fourth candle is a bullish. Fourth candle is a bearish candle. Then we will be placing trade for fifth candle as a sell.
Okay.
Same. Clear, guys? Yeah.
Just to say for how to calculate the percentage. This is say for
What is percentage? Come again, Sanju?
yeah, this candle percentage. No, you say for the 120%.
I told just now. I told 70 to 130%. Minimum should be 70. Maximum should be 130. Any of the candle. Either this candle should be this candle with. If comparing this candle with this, then it is a 130. 70, or it's a 130, or it's 70, 80, or 100 both. Any of the candles should start from 70. Minimum should be 70 to maximum 130%. It should not be more than 130. It should not be less than 70%.
Which one bullish kicker is last ending also bullish candle percentage you say?
Both. Either bullish kicker or bearish kicker. Both applies the same actually. Same formula. Same thing. Size should be 70 to 130%.
Sir, suppose there are four bullish candles, bearish candles.
Okay.
There are four candles, and the last three of them are actually bearish, and the first one is actually a bullish. And then this green kicker, the bullish kicker appears. What should we do then?
You are talking about this.
Yes. Suppose, sir, the first one was bullish.
This one is a bullish. Fine.
This
okay.
one is this. Okay. So still the concept will remain same. Like we just have to look at the three consecutive candles, last three consecutive.
Exactly.
Candles.
We will be looking for the three consecutive candles with the support also. Whatever. Suppose it's a bullish candle, so obviously this candle starts from here itself. So maybe the previous candle will be a bearish candle or something like that. So where it is actually, it should not be on resistance. The first thing is that it should not be on resistance. It should be in between somewhere. So these three candles should be down, and once you will be seeing this candle, then yes, place your trade for buy. Same as that of bearish kicker also.
So this must form more the support.
Exactly.
Okay.
Always.
Okay.
Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Okay, good. The next is a dark cloud cover. What is it, guys?
Sir, it is the opposite of piercing pattern, but it forms at the resistance level.
Okay, absolutely correct. It is exactly.
Yes.
See, I think who took the trade actually? I was talking. It's Praveen, I think. Praveen took a trade, right? Based on that. Where is his actually screenshot? Praveen screenshot. Praveen.
Yeah, it's there, yeah.
This one. So you even don't know which candlestick pattern is it, right, Praveen? But you took it. So it is nothing but it is a dark cloud cover. Okay. So first candle should be always a bullish candle. Like the pattern should be in upward directions, and it should be a bullish candle. Second candle should be a bearish candle, and that bearish candle should and must cover minimum 60% of the first candle. Like it should minimum. So right now it is of 70% or it says 75%, something like that. It's the perfect one, so that you can place your trade. So this is what we call it as a dark cloud cover. It is not a piercing pattern. Okay, clear?
Okay, same formation if happen at the support, then is piercing and
exactly. If it forms at the resistance, like just opposite, ulta. If it is forming at the resistance with just change this one, then we will be considering it. Fine.
Okay.
Good. So this is clear, right? For dark cloud cover. Now three white shoulders. Can anyone please tell me what is three white shoulders? Yeah, go ahead. For the meanwhile, I'm just looking for something. Okay.
Sir, is it head and shoulders trend?
Which one? No, actually,
No,
I took
three
some
shoulder.
oh,
Three shoulder.
head and shoulders.
Yes, I think so.
Head,
No.
head and shoulders is a shampoo, man.
No, sir. Sir, there is a trend which is known as head and shoulder trend, I think.
Head
So.
and shoulders train, that's other stuff actually. That's not
Okay.
head and shoulders. That's other. Okay, fine. Jokes apart. Okay, that's a pattern actually. That's a different stuff. I'm talking about this in candlestick patterns. So yeah.
No,
Sanjay,
sir.
what do you understand by three white shoulders?
No
Anyone?
information.
Anyone heard about this? Three white shoulders?
No.
No. Ahmad, Isam, then Sanju, then Praveen, and Oliver. Where is Oliver? I'm not hearing it.
Sir, I cannot see your screen. It's all black.
Right now, you're not seeing us from beginning itself.
Yes, now I can see only black screen.
Now?
Yes, it's now. And now it's okay now.
See, I think
okay.
your network is having some issues. Now, tell me. This one?
Hello.
Yeah, hello?
Sir, actually,
Yes.
three white shoulder is, if we see three strong bullish candle from support area, it's called three white shoulder.
Then what happened after that?
Market continuously go more up.
So what we will do, if suppose three white shoulders will form, then where will we be placing trade? Zico?
It's call option.
Or call options on fourth candle?
Yes.
Okay. So here, based on, see, right, you are right that it is a three consecutive bullish candle forms at the support. Have a look. So once the market is totally down, and when we are seeing three consecutive bullish candle, the size will be, it's all okay, like 70 to 130 or 70 to 140, whatever the size, it's fine. But it should not have much more rejection. Rejection should be smaller. It should not be much more rejection. So we will not be, based on binary option, we will not be placing trade here. Again, I'm telling, it is a trend, it gives the trend information. This candle gives the trend information, that's it. So we will not be placing trade based on binary, but yes, based on Forex. If you are trading on Forex, you can trade on fourth candlestick for buy. But only based on binary, no, you should not place your trade on fourth. It is just a trend continuation candlestick. That's it. It gives you the information of trend. What kind of trend it is. If these three candlestick is up, then it conveys that the next upcoming market will be uptrend. So based on that, it shows the momentum actually, how the momentum is, right? So how is the momentum, bullish momentum or bearish momentum? That's what actually. So based on this, we can place a trade on Forex, but not on binary option. Is it clear, guys? Even though you are seeing three consecutive bullish candle, also see these three, but this is not a perfect to consider it.
Yeah. Recently I just sent one screenshot in chat. Can you please open that? Okay. So this one, yep. So at the beginning, we can see three red candles.
Okay, fine. Yeah,
and
this
one
is
green
perfect.
candle.
Then the green candles, then you can place your trade on this. But also check that much rejection. If it is less rejection, it is good to go actually. But
Yes,
much more rejection,
that's what I want to ask. And
that
other
much
thing is,
rejection is not good. Huh?
can we consider what pattern we can consider? This engulfing we can consider, or we can
consider as engulfing also. But again, what I told again, see exactly at the same candle pattern he took it. Right, this one, which one? This one. He was asking whether can we consider the bullish engulfing, but the size wise it's not a perfect. Exactly what you are showing here also, the size is not a perfect. Means it is a smaller size actually. That much, this much size is perfect. This is actually is a perfect size. That much size. It is still not a perfect. It is a bullish engulfing, and you can say, but to consider to place your trade, it should be hard. If this candle would have formed here itself, it is a perfect to go with that. Because this candle is still small.
Can we say it as a bullish kicker?
We can say it's a bullish kicker, but this candle is having much more rejection actually. It should not be having that much rejection. The rest is all perfect. Only this much candle. I'm little worried about this candle, but the rest is all perfect. This candle is having this much rejection. It's perfectly fine. We can consider it.
There was two scenarios. One just after 3-4 candles, the same scenario. So I just wanted to ask that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's a perfect one. And yeah, this is, if you are considering this as support, then again it cannot be a resistance one. Again, I'm telling, because with the 2-3
Yeah.
candles, we cannot set
No,
our
no,
resistance
not
line.
that one. After that, we can see another 3 red candle and then a green
Ah,
candle. That one.
that's again no. But again, the next question is: can we consider this part as this one?
No,
See.
no. Yeah, that is what I want to. That is what
So
my
yeah,
question is. The reason we can't
fine.
consider. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
clear. Yeah.
So 3 white shoulders is clear, right, guys? Everyone, it's clear.
Yes.
Now
Again,
yeah.
yeah, three white soldiers. There is a after fourth candle is red. This one coming, bearish.
In 3 white shoulders, you are asking, or in bullish, bearish kicker or bullish kicker? Which one you are asking?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I'm considering this as this bullish kicker, like 3 consecutive bearish candle.
I think maybe this white shoulders.
3 white shoulders? No. In binary options, we will not be placing trade. If you are trading on binary options, then it is just a trend continuation actually. It gives you the information of trend. We will not be placing trade based on binary options here. Simple thing. It is not a binary options candlestick. It is a Forex candlestick pattern actually. Where we can place, if you guys are trading in Forex, then at that instant you guys can consider this as a what? This as a continuation of uptrend, and after this 4th candle you can place your trade for buy and leave it. So Forex is a little different as well. Huh?
This is not binary. This is not binary.
No, it's not a binary one. We'll not be considering it as a binary actually. It is just a trend continuation, Sanju. It's just a trend condition. That's it. It gives you the information of trend that the market is up, but it is not confirmed that the 4th candle will be a bullish candle, or maybe a bearish candle, or 5th candle will be a bullish candle. It gives you the uptrend, like how we are seeing here itself, right? See what happens. The market is little goes up, and for 3 it is also a 3 white shoulders, but little market comes down again, but again it goes up. But the majority is uptrend. So that's the reason actually I'm telling we cannot consider it as a binary option. So maybe the 4th candle will be a bearish candle, maybe 4th candle will be a bullish candle, but we can say it is a trend continuation. So based on trend, we can place a trade for buy in Forex, not in binary. Strictly, especially I'm telling.
So what is actually a difference between a Forex and binary?
Okay, that session will gonna come. Don't worry. I think 4th session will be there. So everything will be. Whatever your doubts will be, I will cover each and every. So don't worry. That part will also come, and I'm gonna ask you this question from you also. So don't worry. So
okay.
Guys, it's clear, Sanju? Your concept is clear now?
Yeah. But there is a need to clarify. This only Forex. No, this one.
Only Forex. We will not be placing trade in binary. No. Okay. In both this candle, like 3 white shoulders and 3 black crows. It is just opposite of it actually. Okay. So it's clear, right? So 3 black crows is exactly opposite of 3 white shoulders. The market is totally uptrend, and once it hits the resistance, so we will be seeing 3 consecutive bearish candle. So we can place our trade for sell in Forex for sell, but we'll not be placing trade in binary based on these 3 candles. Again, I'm telling, don't get confused. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Good. Now the next is a tweezer top and bottom candlesticks. Can anyone please explain me what is tweezer top and bottom candlesticks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
If we tweezer top, like if we see double spinning top in resistance area, it's called tweezer top. And if we see double hammer candlestick in support area, it's called double bottom candlestick.
Why different actually? Why you are seeing spinning top at the resistance, and why not you are seeing the spinning top at the support? 2 spinning support, or why not you are seeing the same hanging man or inverted hammer at the resistance, and why you are seeing only on the support?
I don't know, sir.
Why like that? Okay, fine. I think you are taking something from the internet and based on that you are telling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So no, it's not a correct actually. Tweezer top and bottom is little different stuff. So first have a look on the bodies thing. This is what actually tweezer top and tweezer bottom. Okay. So tweezer top and tweezer bottom actually, tweezer top. First I will consider the tweezer top. So tweezer top is a combination of two candlesticks. So first candle should and must be a bullish candle and second candle should be a bearish candle. What happens in tweezer top? The market totally goes up and once it hits the resistance level, this resistance level is that much strong, it is that much strong that it won't even let the particular bullish candle to form a even wick. See, there is no wick, completely flat surface. Can you see this? There is no wick here. And after that, what happens? This next candle is exactly starts from there itself without formation in wick, means without any rejection. There is no rejection. Why? Because the the resistance level is very, very strong. That it won't let it, then it won't let both the candles to form over there itself. That's the reason actually what happened. Exactly from the same place where it got where it got closed, exactly the next candle start open and it start forming. So we will be placing trade on the third candle for sell. Okay. So here we will not be having any high price. There is no high price. We can say only three pieces of information. This is open price, close price, and low price. Open price, close price, and low price. There is no high price into the top. Always remember, there should not be having any high price into the top. Always. Same as that of in tweezer bottom, the market is totally down, and once it hits the support level, then this support is very, very strong that it won't let form the low price. Actually, there is no low price, and exactly from the same place where it got closed, the next candle opens exactly. That's a bullish candle. And it goes up with a high price and yes, it forms. And after that, the third candle will be our consideration. We will be placing trade for buy in tweezer bottom and the third candle in tweezer top will be placing trade for sell. Now come back. Now I'm coming to the size of it. So again, the size of this candle should be 80 to 120%. Either this candle will be 80% or 80% of either this candle will be 80%, like this candle will be 80 of this, or 90 of this, or 100 both this candle of same size, or like 110% of this, even 120% of this. So yes, we can consider it. Same as that of here also. Either this candle will be of 80% or 90% or even 100 or 110, even 120%. Any of the candles will be a little bigger or little smaller based on 80 to 120%. Is it clear? It rarely forms actually. Same as that of the Harami inside bar candlesticks, what we saw. It rarely forms. We can see that you guys can expect once in a day or even once in a week or even once or twice in a month. Not more than that. Rarely it forms because I rarely saw this candlestick. So even you will be seeing it, then there will be a little minor rejection will be always there, but still we cannot consider it as a tweezer top or something like that. So it is, if it is totally flat surface, then only we'll be considering it as a tweezer top or tweezer bottom. So it is little difficult to get it, but once you will be getting this candlesticks, yes, that one you should place your trade. Yeah, see, it is perfectly fine. There is no higher point we can consider, but it is on purpose support, I think. Yeah, it is on purpose support. So that's the reason actually this candle is forming. It is on 30-minute actually. Fine. But also check again, no, avoid taking trade. Actually, I was not seeing this part. Now see what happens. It is nothing but it is a checkmate conditions. So it is not a considerable point to place your trade. What happens? Yeah, mute please. So where it is? So it should be exactly on support. This is not a considerable, it's a checkmate condition. See, completely checkmate conditions. So never ever enter into the market if you are seeing such kind of market over there. So let's have a look on AUD USD. Make it on 5 minutes. should be somewhat like that, but still it is having rejection. We cannot consider it. If it is totally flat now from this part, we can consider it as a what? Tweezer top, and based on that we can easily place our trade. But right now here it is which candlestick pattern, guys?
Bearish angle pin. Bearish angle pin.
Hello.
Bearish engulfing.
Yeah, it is a bearish engulfing.
Bearish.
Yes, right. It is a bearish engulfing. So that candlestick, getting that candlestick is little tough. Actually, it is not a perfect. I'm not getting that candlestick. That is little difficult because it rarely forms. But once it will form now, you can. It should be completely flat surface. It should not be having any rejection. So if you guys are seeing it, please share that screenshot with me, or else I will share with you. Suppose I will be getting later, because I'm not getting that one. It should be completely flat. Okay. Is it fine, guys? I'm not getting it, so leave it. Better just if you guys are seeing it, like how actually it is I mentioned here, the completely flat surface on resistance and completely flat surface or surface on support, then that's a considerable one, and based on that we will be placing trade for buy and sell. Okay. So yeah, so this is all about your candlestick patterns. This is completed today. Done.
Actually, this top and this bottom is second candle is bigger or
anyone. I just now I told, right? 80 to 120%. Either this candle will be 80% of this, either it will be 90% of this, or 110%, or 100%, or 110, or even 120. Maybe this candle will be little bigger, or maybe this candle will be little 80%. So any of the candle will be bigger off with respect to others. Okay. So in that sequence we can consider it. Clear, Sanju?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the end of your today's topic, today's candlestick patterns. So yeah, it is almost 2 hours completed. Oh, so any question, guys, regarding today's topic, today's session?
Actually, this all candlestick are appear in this resistance and support level only, or
yeah, absolutely. No. Always, if it forms on the support and resistance, then only you guys have to place your trade for sell and buy. Don't enter into the market if it is forming in between support and resistance. No, it is not preferable.
That is not a...
Always support resistance. No, 110% I'm telling, it should, you guys have to enter into the market, place your trade based on support and resistance. Okay. So, any question? Anyone have any doubts? Any questions? Please ask. Or else, after this session, I'm going to send you these documents to each and every in the group itself, in Skype group, so that you guys can refer it for your future reference. So that yes, if suppose it's needed, then yes, based on it, you can place your trade. So, any questions?
Is IQ option trusted broker?
I'm asking about this question now. You differently. Okay.
Still, it's a question.
That's a question. Yeah, we can. IQ option. I'm using it from past so many years. I think past 4 years. I think. Yeah. So we can. I'm not talking about any particular broker. See, it's totally up to you. If you want to go with any other broker like Plem Trader, Expert Options, or Binary.com, something like, you can go with it. I have opened account from past so many years. So yeah, still I'm going on. I'm having some amount on that, so that's the reason actually I keep on trading on that, or else there is no such things that no IQ option is paying me high amount or something like that. No, it's not like that. It's totally up to the people. They have, if suppose you want to take a trade and IQ option, go for it, or else go for the expert option or any other Plem Trade or Money.com. Which broker you feel that it is suitable for you, you can go for it. There is no hard and fast from my side that I'm recommending only IQ option. No. They're not paying for me, so why should I? So it's not.
No, sir, I'm not saying they're paying you.
I realized that it is good to go, that it is the perfect one, that we can trust IQ options, and yeah, it is paying. That's it.
Okay.
Now, come back to the topic. Anyone have any doubt regarding today's topic, today's sessions? Because once you guys have to work on it, you guys have to trade. Just show me the trade tomorrow also, same how today you shown, so that I will come to know, and then it will complete this candlestick patterns, And tomorrow, same time, I will start trend analysis. That's very, very important, because I know most of the people are still having so many doubts that how we will be considering this one and how we will be considering that one. So yes, everything, every question will be answered tomorrow. Don't worry. So we'll see those stuff, everything. So yeah, this is all about for today's topic. Yeah.
Sunday there will be session, or Sunday will be day off?
Sunday will be taking session because I'm also having holiday. So better carry it out. Whether you have any plan, like weekend plan, something like that. If I'm not talking about evening, if suppose you get, because I'm totally free. Tomorrow also I'm free. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also free. If you get, I'm also holiday. Means mine is also holiday. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Monday to Friday I'm totally busy. So if suppose you guys are, you are telling me to take a sessions early morning also, like morning, afternoon, evening, I'm ready to do that. It's totally up to you, to your convenience. So even early morning, like 6, 7, 8 p.m., 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., any time, you guys can sit. If suppose
10 a.m.
Just ask among yourself whether you guys are okay with that. It's fine for you. That